Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Okay, so obviously we know we got the wiring wrong, and we've had to correct that. Got the lights in. This is basically what they look like. I'm probably going to end up stacking them like this on the front, on an angle. This is the brackets they come with. Unfortunately, the brackets are really small, like they're in the middle there. What I'm probably going to do is run a shaft through it that's threaded and cut two pieces of metal there and there, or tubes of metal, and run the shaft through the metal so I can bolt it on the ends, and it'll make up the difference. It'll act like one solid piece, and I'll be able to bolt it from the end versus the middle. So these are useless to me. But I saw something on Amazon, which I'll show you at the end of this video, that will actually work pretty good for this, and it's only 16 bucks. These, I'll leave a link in the description for these. I'll test them again, but they are pretty bright. It's all aluminum construction on the back, so you don't have to worry about overheating. There was some guys complaining that the leaked. I'm going to look into that, see if I can maybe seal it up some more. Not too worried about it. I rarely take this bike out in the rain anyway. But with the brackets I'm looking to get, they're actually for a motorcycle that clamp onto the triple trees and hang out to about here. So this would be like that. It's going to look pretty cool. But instead of one, I'm going to do two and have both stacked, angled down like that. That'll look pretty good. And I'll put a switch where you can turn one or two on. I think that's a better update for a e-bike light than the one that was down there. It was so dated. So anyway, let me take you upstairs and show you the bracket that I'm thinking of using. So this is the actual light itself. It's the Willpower 6-inch 18-watt LED work light. Pretty much whatever you want. It says 12 to 24 volts. In the comments it says it'll work up to 30, but I'm not really worried about that. I'm just going to run it at 12. That's basically what it looks like. That type of beam. These are the brackets I was looking at for 16. Now this right here might be a little bit wider because obviously the motorcycle forks are going to be thicker. I can make an adapter or cut this down and make it smaller. Not too worried about that, but that's perfect. Then I can add some extra holes or screws, or I can use that one and that one to stack it. We'll see how it works out. But that should work. Once this actually comes in, which hopefully I can order it right away, I'll do another vlog and we'll start getting to work on it and testing it out. Okay, we're just gonna do a quick test. Shut the lights out. It's drawing about 13 volts, 502 mA, which isn't too bad. A little bit lower than what they posted on the Amazon account. Anyway, it's got a nice wide beam, which I'm totally liking. It's going to be about a lane. It's going to shine up about a lane, so I'm kind of happy with that.